All right, it is time for another portfolio update. This one is as of June 30th, 2021. So it happens to also be the second quarterly portfolio update. And in terms of what's happened in the last month, the bottom line is not a whole lot. I did make a new record high in the portfolio, so I'm really happy about that. But also a little bit apprehensive about what's going to happen in the second half of the year. So let's get right into it. In terms of portfolio performance, year to date, I am earning about 18.9%. This is compared to the S&P 500, which is at 15.25%. So still doing pretty good compared to the broad market, but not as good as what I had in a couple of previous months, but that's to be expected as we move further along the year here. In terms of sector allocation, energy continues to be my biggest component of the portfolio, followed by technology and then cash and consumer staples. So really no big change there. I am going to begin to start making some moves to this risk parity allocation that I've developed. So there will probably be a good chance that my cash allocation will be reduced somewhat as we go further. But overall, as of June 30th, the sector allocation is pretty much the same. In terms of individual investment allocation, no change as well, since energy and XLE continue to be my biggest holding, followed by consumer staples with British American Tobacco, and then Microsoft topping out the top three aside from that cash allocation. Energy has slowed down quite a bit since the beginning of the year when it took off, pretty gangbuster. So what I've done is actually turn around and implemented a cover call strategy on top of XLE, which is earning me another maybe 9 to 12% a year based on my long position, which is pretty good. I don't know if that's going to hold, but currently that's what I'm getting on an annualized basis, and it's been working out. But that's where we are at for June 30th, 2021. So keep on checking back with me. I'll have an update on the overall portfolio as a whole, as well as a monthly update on the risk parity allocation that I've developed, just so that you can see how that's performing. All right, see you later.